Look at this tricolor light in my hands. Its model number is Q6S. The light body is mainly made of high-level transparent crystal, which is fully frosted and luminous. The light-emitting area is concentrated, and its shape adopts the design concept of rubbers with clear outlines. The appearance is novel with high applicability. The light-emitting angle is large, not dazzling, and the hidden base can be rotated 90 degrees. It is suitable for intelligent CNC machine tools and automation equipment. Next, let me light it up for you. The buzzer can reach more than 95 decibels. Look forward to cooperating with you. Oujie Lighting.